In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make boxes in Notion. We'll cover two simple, flexible approaches you can use right away. Callout boxes for quick highlights and board view databases for structured card-style boxes you can organize. Let's start with a callout. On your Notion page, type /callout and press enter. A callout instantly creates a neat framed area that feels like a box on the page. It comes with an icon on the left and a subtle background so your content stands out. Click the icon to swap it for any emoji or fade an icon that matches the purpose of the box, maybe a light bulb for ideas, a check mark for tasks, or a pin for notes. Then, adjust the background color to add emphasis. Notion offers a range of colors, so consider using a consistent scheme across your workspace like blue for information, yellow for warnings, or green for wins so your eye learns what each box means. Once your callout is set, type directly inside it to add content. If you've already written something elsewhere, you can also drag it in. Hover over any block you want to move, grab the 6-way dot handle on its left, and drop it into the callout. This works great with text, checkboxes, and other simple blocks. So you can turn loose notes into tidy, contained sections. Use callouts for quick summaries, key takeaways, small checklists, or anything you want to draw attention to without overcomplicating the page. If you need boxes you can sort through, move around, and enrich with details, create a board. Type /board to add a board view database. You'll see columns with cards that look and feel like movable boxes perfect for tasks, ideas, content pieces, or project phases. Each card is its own mini container. Click to open a card and give it a title. Then add properties to organize your information. Properties can be things like a status, a due date, a priority, or a tag. These fields make your board far more useful because they let you label and categorize each box consistently. As your board grows, those properties help you scan, group, and manage what matters, without losing the simplicity of drag and drop cards. To recap, use callouts when you want quick, standout boxes right on a page and boards when you want movable, property-rich cards that scale with your projects. With these two tools, you can keep your Notion pages clean, clear, and easy to navigate. Thanks for watching.